Why does your scanner show the P0977 engine code? What does it mean? P0977 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid B control circuit high. This engine code indicates that the TCM has detected an abnormal voltage reading from the Shift Solenoid B circuit, which is responsible for controlling hydraulic pressure to enable smooth gear shifts in an automatic transmission. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty Shift Solenoid B. Damaged electrical components. Low transmission fluid. Contaminated transmission fluid. Malfunctioning control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mini Cooper and Toyota Corolla models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.